Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Mustansir Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I am English language teacher. In this video lesson, I am going to share the knowledge of English language. I am going to explain you the use of would. Many times we are confused where to use would. So this video will be helpful for you to understand the use of would. Let's get it on. The very first use of would is would like to. This phrase is used instead of want to. You can say I want to drink water, or you can also say I would like to drink water. So both sentences have got same meaning, but if you translate them into Urdu, then you can see the difference. I want to drink water, it means मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ. I would like to drink water, it means मैं पानी पीना पसंद करूँगा. Would is more polite and it is a formal way to explain what you want. You can also use would like with other pronouns like he'd like, we would like, they would like, and you can use the contraction or the short form I'd like instead of I would like, he'd like instead of saying he would like. So we'd like, he'd like, she'd like, you can use, it will make the difference in your language. Now let's move to the second use of would. We use would when we talk about past, and in the past we talk about future. We are always in the present, we can't move back to past, but we talk about past, and in the past we refer or we talk about future. Let me give you this example and then you will understand it. Last Sunday we decided that we would go on picnic on this coming weekend. कि पिछले इतवार हमने फैसला किया कि हम इस वीकेंड पर पिकनिक पर जाएंगे. You can see that we are talking about past, and in the past we are referring to future. Let me give you one more example. I promised my friend that on his this birthday I would buy him a watch. कि मैंने अपने दोस्त से वादा किया कि इस उसकी सालगिरह पे मैं उसको घड़ी तोहफे में दूंगा. So you can see I am using would. Here I would like to tell you the difference between will and would. Well, we use will when you are in the present, and from here you talk about future. So we can use will. But when we go back in the past and from there we refer to future, then we don't use will. Here we use would. Now let's move to the third use of would. Would is used when you make assumption. I mean जब आप कोई चीज़ फर्ज करते हैं present में. Let me give you one example, then definitely you will understand it. If I gave you $1,000, what would you do with this money? कि अगर मैं आपको $1,000 देता हूँ तो आप उसे क्या करेंगे? Here you can see actually I'm making an assumption. Here we don't use will. Now let me give you one more example. If you were the president of Pakistan, what would you do on your first day of office? So here again this is an assumption कि अगर आप पाकिस्तान के सदर हों तो आप पहले दिन ऑफिस में अपने क्या करेंगे? Now here the same situation, you are assuming something, and in that assumption you are referring to future that is not real actually. This future is imaginary. When you make your imaginary future, then you can use would. Let's move to the fourth use of would. This is very easy. We use is, am, are with would be. It shows something होने वाला. Now I will give you an example, then you can understand. I say he is would be my boss. कि ये मेरे होने वाले boss हैं. Let me give you one more example. She is would be his wife. ये उसकी होने वाली wife है. Here one more example. They are would be our new neighbors. वो हमारे होने वाले नए neighbors हैं. So you can use would be with is, am, are to make such statements. Now let's move to the fifth use of would. When we talk about the habits in the past, we use would. let me explain you again that we use would to express our habits in the past. Let's say if I talk about my school life, then I would say that I would always reach on time, I would prepare my lessons, I would always do my homework, and I would play in my school, and I would play with my friends in the evening. So this way actually I am explaining my past habits. Now there is another use of would, and that is with would we use have and third form. This is like would have plus third form. Now I will tell you a situation in Urdu, then you can understand it better. अगर हम वहाँ पे वक्त पर पहुँच चुके होते तो हम उनसे मिल लेते. Now here you can see that we are referring to past, but in the past we are telling something that was not actually possible and it didn't happen, but we are assuming अगर हम वहाँ वक्त पर पहुँच चुके होते. So you can use if we would have reached there on time we met them, कि अगर हम वक्त पर वहाँ पहुँच चुके होते तो हम उनसे मिल लेते. So you can use would have with third form of the verb. I think I should give you one more example to understand this use of would. He didn't die if people would have brought him to hospital on time, कि वो ना मरता अगर उसको लोग वक्त पर हॉस्पिटल ले जाते. Alright my dear friends, I should take you leave now. I will come up again with some more knowledge and information about English language. Until then, you take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.